welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a smart AI assistant for online teaching. So I own an online teaching platform, and over here I receive multiple inquiries from the leads or students on my WhatsApp. Now replying to them 24/7 is a very time consuming part. So what I've done is I have created an AI assistant to solve this entire problem. And this assistant that I have created without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. Now as I've created this amazing AI agent, automatically when I will receive a new inquiry from the students or the leads on WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn the entire process of how you can create this amazing AI agent for your business as well, for that I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. This is the bot, and towards this bot, I will send my first message, that is, I need help, okay? As soon as I've asked for the help within few seconds, this AI assistant has replied, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? Okay, so now my first question over here is going to be, what courses do you provide? Okay, so I've asked this question. I'll wait for a few seconds for this AI assistant to reply to me. As soon as I've done that, it says we offer a variety of courses at Smart Learn Online Academy, including K-12 courses, competitive exam preparation, and professional learning. I have another question right over here. So my next question is, can I attend live classes? Okay, after asking this question, I'll wait over here for a few seconds, and I've received the reply. Yes, you can attend live classes. Our platform offers real-time interaction with expert instructors, allowing you to engage and ask questions during the session. You will receive the WhatsApp link before each class to join. If you need more information about the class schedule, feel to ask. I have another question, my last question left, that is, do you provide recorded sessions? Okay, as I'm going to ask this question, I'll wait for a few seconds for this AI assistant to reply to me, okay? And you can see I've received the reply. Yes, we provide recorded sessions. All enrolled students can access these recordings at any time for revision and self-paced learning. Now you can see as this AI assistant is replying to all my messages, this is how this AI assistant is going to work in real time. And now we're going to create this assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, what you need to do is on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And as I'm going to browse the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing AI assistant, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates of Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. In this space, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below, okay? So now let us create this amazing AI assistant. On the landing page, you have two options. If you're a new user, that means you do not have an account with us, directly sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. But if you're an existing user like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section where you will see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. So if you're a business owner and you want to manage your WhatsApp conversations easily and efficiently, Pabbly Chatflow is there for you. You can add multiple WhatsApp numbers inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, simply click on this Add WhatsApp Number button, where you will find two methods to add your number. One is WhatsApp Connect, other one is Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn the tutorial of how you can add your numbers, you can find the video links of both of the methods in the description section below. Pabbly Chatflow also provides with multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, and settings, under which you will find multiple options. So if you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the explanation videos in the description section below. Now to create an AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, simply from the panel go towards the AI assistant section right over here. As you go to do that, you will land towards the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow account. Now to create a new AI assistant, simply click on this add AI assistant button right here, and we have to first name our assistant. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as AI assistant for online teaching. Then I'm going to add the assistant from here, and simply the assistant is created. Now inside Pabbly Chatflow's AI assistant, there are multiple sections. First is AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface, and styling. Okay, so now we have to set up all the 4 sections in order to create an AI assistant. First is AI instructions. Under AI instructions, firstly it is asking for the type, for which I will select AI agent. You can select the instruction type according to your requirement. Enter the instructions, that are the roles and responsibilities. You can see the pre-written roles and responsibilities has been added over here. As soon as you're going to select the type, if you want to update anything, you can add the points according to your requirement. Now next is AI configuration, under which first category is temperature. Temperature is a range of creative ideas, the replies that this AI assistant is going to give towards our leads or customers. So over here, the temperature falls from 0 to 1 range. 0 being the more focused reply, 1 being the more creative reply. I want the reply between them, more focused as well as creative. So I'm going to enter the temperature as 0.5. If you want more creative, you can go towards 1, but if you want more focused replies, you can go towards 0. Okay, I will select it as 0.5. For the AI to use, I'll select OpenAI. Model is going to be GPT-4 or Mini. Then we have to enter the API key, which we will find in our OpenAI account. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink to get the key. You land towards the API key section of OpenAI. Click on this create new secret key button. For the key name, I'll give it as test project. I'll select it as default, permissions as all. Create the key from here, and the key is then going to be created. Okay, copy this key and paste over here in this API key page right, and click on this connect button right over here, and the key is successfully added. Now there are some assistant settings. If you want a header message, toggle this button. Footer message, toggle this button. Stop keywords. If you want this assistant to stop by your user's message, such as stop by, thank you, you can enter the stop keywords right here. Let's suppose my stop keyword is by. I'm going to enter and press the enter key. The keyword is going to be saved. Okay, you can add multiple stop keywords according to your requirement. Retry attempt, if you want that, toggle the button on. Then the fallback message. So let's suppose this key is not working and there is a problem. So the customer or the lead will receive this fallback message from here. Okay, so now this is how you set up your first section, that is AI instruction. Let's move on to our next one, that is knowledge source. Now over here for the knowledge source, you have to enter a knowledge base using which this AI assistant is going to reply to all the students or the leads. I have created a knowledge base of my business. I have entered the overview of my business. You can see right over here the benefits, what all we provide, everything is mentioned in this knowledge base. Now this knowledge base that I have created for this video is just an example. You can create much bigger knowledge base according to your business requirements if you want. Okay, so this is just a demo knowledge base that I've created, and I will upload this over here in this AI assistant. For that, simply click on this button right here, and this is my knowledge base. I will open it. Okay, how you will check whether the knowledge base is uploaded or not? Under the knowledge sources section, you can see a file is uploaded, and if you will receive the vector ID, that means this knowledge base has now been successfully uploaded. Okay, now next we are going to see is assistant interface. Now what is this assistant interface? So let's suppose you've added this assistant right over here. This is the assistant interface. If you're going to add this assistant on your website page, how it should look? Now we're going to enter some details and change few items in this assistant interface. I am going to enter the name of my academy right over here in place of this your brand name. So I'm going to do that. So this is my brand name, that is my academy name, Smart Learn Academy. You can see assistant interface has been changed. Okay, if you want to change this display line, you can change it as well from here. Initial message, this is the initial message. You can add maximum number of only 2 initial messages. So enter another one if you want. Okay, if you want this powered by Pabbly to be visible, what you can do is you can simply enable and disable it from here. And if you want to add a footer text, what you can do is simply add the name text right over here. And if you want to make it hyperlink, just add the link right here. Okay, now after that it is asking for the user's first message. This is the initial message that this assistant can receive from the lead or the student. Okay, so over here I've entered the user's first message as I need help. You can enter another message according to your requirement. And the last that is left is styling. If you want to change the color, background, image, anything, you can definitely do that from this styling. I do not want to do that, so I'm going to skip the part. Now to activate this AI assistant, simply toggle this button on and click on the Save AI Assistant button, and the AI assistant has now been successfully created. Now over here, if you want to add this assistant on your website, how you can do that? Simply go to Embedded. You will find the script of this assistant, copy it from here and paste it in your website code. Okay, and this assistant is there going to be added. So now to test whether this assistant is successfully created or not, what I'm going to do is, towards this AI assistant, I will write a WhatsApp message from my number as a student and then check whether automatically I receive the replies from this bot or not. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, and towards my assistant I'm going to write I need help. Okay, so let me do that. So I'll send this message I need help right over here. Now over here it is going to send me a reply, and you can see I've received a reply. I'm here for you. What do you need help with? Okay, so my first question is, what are the addresses of your centers? I'm going to send this first question towards this bot, and I've received the reply. We provide online teaching services in following cities: Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai and Delhi, and these are the addresses of my coaching centers. Now I have a next question, which is, do you offer trial classes? Okay, I'm going to send this question right over here. As soon as I've sent this question, currently we do not have specific information about trial classes. However, our starter plan allows you to experience the platform with limited classes and assignments, which can serve as a trial. So if you're interested in this option or have any other questions, let me know. My next question is, can I interact with my teachers directly? Okay, so as I've asked this question right over here, within few seconds, this AI assistant has replied, yes, you can interact with teacher directly during the live classes. Our platform allows real-time engagement. So you can ask questions, participate in discussions. If you have any other question or need more details, free feel to ask. Okay, so as you can see, the assistant is replying to all my messages. This means this AI assistant has now been successfully created without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So did you see how simple and easy it was to create this amazing AI assistant? So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your own for your business and just make your WhatsApp conversations super easy and efficient for your students and leads to manage. Okay, so if you have any other questions or doubts, then you can ask all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.